Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how easily you guys can use Circle to search on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. So first, let's start off by going into YouTube. Now here in the YouTube, as you guys can see, what we can do here is we can click on the circle, hold it, and now we can select, let's say, this thing right here, and it will search automatically. So as you guys can see here, we have our videos from our channel, let's say Huawei Pure 70 Pro, Redmi Note 14s, and much more. Also the Spring Boot from Java. And this is basically how you guys can do that. Also, whenever you type in the shoes, or let me find something in the gallery, here you guys will notice this flower. So let me zoom in. Now hold the circle and circle the flower. Now as you guys can see, it will try and find the same flower. So let's go to products, and here as you guys can see, we can buy almost identical flower for, let's say, $48 or for 4 pounds. So here we can basically do that. We can search things by using the circle search. It's much faster, much better. You guys can actually find the information that you're looking for, like the price, the shops, everything. And I think it's the great function, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.